Hey, what's up guys? On this one I want to show you something really cool, guys. I mean, if you can actually get to be able to grasp what I'm about to show you on this video, you're going to make some money, definitely. But for a disclaimer, guys, I am no financial advisor. Everything I do here is just what I usually do in order for me to make some extra income on the side, because guys, you can't actually survive on just one income. These are tough times, so we have to look onto alternative ways so that we can actually make that extra buck on the side, guys. So I want to show you something cool. If you actually own some Binance, if you have already signed up onto Binance, this is something that is going to be very handy for you so that you can actually get into this, guys. So I want to show you guys something here. So this is going to be Twitter. So this coin was launched today, as of around 6 a.m. in the morning today. So this, because I want to show you a strategy which you can actually use in order for you to make that extra buck, guys. So look at this. This was listed this morning in around 4ish on a UCT time, which is the universal time. But if you convert it into African time, that because we are a bit forward with about 2 hours onto that one. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but you can actually go on and actually look onto that so that you can actually understand what I mean. So they listed this coin, this one, and this GNO. So what I'm going to show you, I'm going to go on to coin market cap. So as you can actually see this graph here, this was today. As you can see, it's Monday, August 30th as of today. As you can actually see my date there. As you can actually see here, though, this is 30th 2021. So this was launched at around this time, which is 349 or around 354. So a lot of people, they already was buying here before 4 a.m. this morning. So as you can actually see onto the UCT time, as you can actually see there, it was because it got launched exactly at 4 o'clock this morning. So look at this rise, guys. So the price was 294 when people, they started to buying, a lot of buying pressure, which grow here from 294, and then it grew into the all-time high, which was 422. You can actually see there, guys, 422 from 294, almost double, almost double the price. As you can actually see how much you could have just doubled your money in about 30 seconds or 30, because this took about from this time, which was around, let's say you bought here, which is about 354, and then goes into this all-time high here, which is 514, right? So up to 514, and then I think that's about 20 minutes of this. So you can buy and then hold maybe for about 10 minutes, and then you come here around here, you can sell. But this is not a definite thing, guys. A coin might not have that kind of buying pressure. A lot of people may not be interested in it for some kind of reasons, for that which I don't know. But this one, guys, actually made a lot, because a lot of people, they go in and then they buy, and then they wait for some few minutes, and then they actually go on and buy. So this is what, guys, so you can actually see where you can actually buy this coin. So you come on to markets, so you can actually see where you can buy it before it got listed onto, because you can buy it while it's still cheap. Here, as you can actually see here, it was just stagnant here, flowing into a linear direction without much of a difference. But once it got listed, it just flied into here, guys. So we're just going to see where we can actually buy the coin, so that you can actually send it onto Binance or whatever, or you can just keep it wherever it is, and then you can just sell. So let's see once this loads, so that we can actually see where we can actually buy the coin, and then we can be able to make. Okay, guys, as you can actually see here, right, so Kraken already had this one, Gate.io, you can see. So Uniswap had this one. So these are some of the exchanges, guys, where you can actually buy this coin. So as you can actually see, it got updated in about 2 hours, but that's not important. But you actually can come here and actually just, as soon as you get listed, you come into CoinMarketCap and you can see where you can actually buy the coin from. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you actually find this content very helpful, so that you can actually make that buy. As for another disclaimer, guys, you should really understand that I'm no financial advisor. Everything I do on this channel is just to make you guys a little bit of gaining some kind of information, guys, onto the things that are actually happening around us and around cryptocurrency. So that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on all this kind of content, so that you make that side hustle, guys. So make sure you subscribe, and then I will see you on the next one. This is going to be a ciao.